17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Whitehaven to Tamaqua, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lehighton, Mount Pocono, Northampton, Tobiana, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Slatington, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Walnut Fort, Ness, Pocono Pines, Lake Harmony, New Tripoli, Skitop, Tannersville, Long Pond, Cristedo, Sun Valley, and Reeders. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 62 and 97. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 306. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. The National Weather Service.
That's the first alert of the event of the night. Probably won't be the last.